Hello, everybody. What up, people? People and things. How goes it? How goes you? How you doing? Me? I'm doing all right. Could be doing better, but I'll survive. Alright, let's do this. You. I need you. Alright. Shit. I forgot my water somewhere. All right. Happy Monday. Ugh. Let's go. Hey. Wow. Will shine bright. All right, where were we? This. Also this. Let's hear the whole thing. Listening to current progress on the Thyrus level soundtrack. Game dev tonight. But this one's getting too funky, so I had to play it. Break it down. I know, right? And then it breaks down like hard right here. And I kind of just, I don't know. I so many routes to go. We'll see. I want to make it long, like really long, just like continuous shit. Because you're going to be on Thyrus for a long time. So I don't want it to loop. you know, for a while. Also, I need to consider getting rid of that whole beginning and maybe making that like a separate thing because it wouldn't sound good as a loop. You know, the whole... Makes no sense. Good for another part though when you win something. But I could start it right here, you know, which makes sense. Alright, anyways. Yeah, so we're working on this. I have a print going. A horrible, horrible print. Not this one, but I've been fighting this shelf design all day, dude. I feel like actually it's been a couple days. I started yesterday. And so I've got about 5 failures in my hand right now. It's definitely not all of them. It just makes no sense. Because, like, here's the newest middle piece for my modular shelf system where, like, they connect and whatnot. And I'm going to probably go over this again when Off the Bed shows up and stuff, but... So, this one worked. And it has, you know, the little nubs, it has the little divots, because it's going to be in the middle of 2 different shelves that will connect, and that'll make them longer on the wall. And I have an example middle shelf on the wall right now behind me. Because it has this center piece, so you can just put it up with one arm. So, works fine. Printed it flat. I made it castle style because it kept failing on the rim. I don't know if you saw any of the old streams, but it kept failing on the rim of the print. So I was having to print it like up, like on its side, but the tree supports kept falling off, and then it would like fuck up. I don't know. Anyways, so I redesigned it. It worked fine on the middle piece. And then I started doing it on the left piece. The, here's an example. Oh. Off the bed. I'll reverse, because this is pertinent to off the bed here. Hey! I was just going over my frustrating, like, day and a half of printing, which is why I have a print going right now. Because I hope this is the, like, savior for my shelves. So, I remember I was printing the shelves and the rim kept failing. Once it got to the rim, like, it would just completely fail. So, like, the shelf would be fine, but then the rim would go away. So, I redesigned it so that it has these cutouts, and I was able to print it flat. Worked fine. This is the middle piece that goes in between to make the shelving system as long as you want, right? And you see it has a center point for one of the brackets, which I printed a handful of these just to have them on hand. Though I had a start and stop in the middle of one, so I ran out of filament right at the edge. So not all of these are good. I'm gonna have to fit them, but it's like that. So it just fits in there, goes on the wall. Cool. And then you can put a shelf on this side, a shelf on this side. Worked fine. So I redesigned the left and the right side right here. This is an example of the new. This isn't how it was. I made it. Yeah, I wonder if I can go back so we could see. I don't want to mess it up. Anyways, so I redesigned it with the cutouts so that the left and the right would print properly, because they were having the same problem. The room was failing. But then something weird started to happen. As soon as I started printing these out, they were failing at layer like 14. And I even kind of heard a big like clunk, and I thought maybe something got stuck and it just a layer shift happened. So I reprinted it, and it failed again. I changed the infill type from gyroid to rectilinear, and it failed again. Same way. I didn't count the layer this time, but like it would just start stringing throughout the infill. And then, like I was showing Game Doodle, 5 shelves later, it was failing in the same part. And these aren't all the right side. Oh god, I'm too close. These aren't all the right side. I also I was like, fuck it, maybe it's just this one file that I created. So I redesigned the left side, failed the same way. And, well, no, gyroid is good. It's better because it's not straight. You never get a straight line, which is better because when you have straight lines and they layer on top of each other and they're thin, they have a tendency to fall over, or especially on high-speed printing. So the gyroid's been great. I mean, this is all gyroid. I've done, you know, all of these on gyroid, and they're stronger. They're supposed to be the most, like, the strongest type, while not using too much. Hey! Rayofrey! How are you? I'm doing good. How you doing? Sorry, excuse my burp. Yeah, I was just going over my frustrating day and a half of failed prints. So, like I showed you, I redesigned it. And actually, I like this a lot better. I don't know why I wanted it so goddamn chunky. It's kind of heavy. It's not, but it's kind of heavy. It uses a lot more filament. And I easily was able to shave off 10 millimeters, you know, inward, and make it 10 millimeters thinner. And this is basically the exact same design, just a lot thinner. And obviously all my brackets are going to be 5 millimeters sticking out, but I mean, it's not a massive deal. I'm going to have to reprint a bunch of brackets, which I'm fine with. They're really quick to do, like 6 at a time. And there'll be even less filament because they'll be thinner as well. So, we'll see. I'm watching this one. If it fails again, then I just need to throw everything away. Like my computer, the printer, everything out the window. So, because I think I wasted like 300 fucking grams of filament, and I'm just like so pissed. Anyways, we're not printing today or designing today. I just want to see this one work. We shall see. It's doing a gyroid sequence. If it goes through the gyroid sequences and gets to the top layer, like before the rim, it will be a success. But I just don't know if it's going to do it. I mean, because there's literally no errors in the file. It's printed before. Remember, like it was failing differently. Yeah, it's not a clogged nozzle either. I mean, the nozzle's clean. I actually completely washed the bed too. All the glue and stuff like that. I mean, there's no adhesion issues. It just seems to be at a certain layer, it skips. It almost starts floating. And it's not in the G code because I went through all the layers and I have printed it, like I said, the middle piece, which is just a copy of all the other ones. So there's something wrong at a certain point in these prints that were failing that was like shifting it up, and then it's kind of floating lines across and no longer adhering to the bed, and then it just starts fucking going crazy and just building onto nothing. So yeah, I'm hoping this one goes through. But if it fails, you know, it's all the other ones failed, so lube it up, give it a massage. I mean, I have been using it a lot. Honestly, I thought I broke it. And not me, but like I thought it broke. Because, like I said, I heard like kind of like a crack, like a clunk. Which, I've heard loud noises out of the printer before. I mean, it's moving really fast. But, yeah, for some reason, I thought like the track broke. Or there's something stuck, something sticking out, a piece of metal. So I actually unlocked the Delta and I moved it around by hand at every position, up and down and all over, and it's smooth. And there's plenty of silicone lube all over the belts. It's moving fine by itself. There's just something, it was just something about the specific layer in the specific angle that it was printing. Or something, I don't know. Like I said, I hope taking 10 millimeters out of the thickness, and I actually bumped it up to 30% infill. I'm hoping the extra strength in the infill will, you know, at least just change it to the point where it shouldn't do that anymore. Because I printed a bunch of brackets after it failed a bunch of times. So I know it's not like failing at a certain layer. Like, it worked. It went all the way up past, you know, the camera. No problem. So, anyways, that's where we're at. That's why I'm printing right now. And, oh yeah, and you missed a song, I think, off the bed. I'll play it in the background while we work. This is the, Thyrus soundtrack that I have so far. We'll start at the beginning where it's nice and dramatic. And what we're working on right now is arrows. We need to make the arrows have the ability to go left, right, bottom, bottom left. So let's do that. Just can't stop dancing to this though. What is this? Oh man, it's too good. Let's turn on some stream avatars. There we go. The breakdown is real. I should go super dramatic and like add screams. Alright. You have a field trip tomorrow? Oh, sweet. Where? Where you going? Tell me all about it. Ooh, are you doing a zip line? Or like mountain climbing? I just hear roper and I assume. Where the fuck? Where was I doing the whole thingy doodad? Arrow. Arrow. Here. Yeah, here. Ropa Mountain. I have an idea. Oh. I'm dumb. It's not a mountain? Okay. Roper Mountain? Yeah, let's check it out. Oop. Oh, Science Center. Ooh, observatory. Ooh, dinosaurs. I was gonna buy some of these. You can get these from, what is it called? Toscano. Oh. Yeah, Toscano? Or is it Tuscano? Tuscano Designs. Was it? Toscano. There we go. Yeah, nobody cares. Don't worry about it. Check this out. So, I know they're a little pricey, guys, but you gotta admit, if I had a full-sized allosaur in on my yard, like, you'd be impressed, right? You'd be going around talking about how you just came from Jurassic Park. Oh, it gets so much better. Where the hell's the... Hold on a second. Triceratops. Do I spell that right? Yes. What? Where's all their freaking dinosaurs? They had literally a full-size dinosaur, and now I'm confused where their dinosaurs went. Huh. Full-sized Triceratops. Yeah, this is one option. I've seen this store too. No, I want the big one. Yeah. 32 foot. Here we go. Where is this being sold? I mean, this is actually pretty realistic compared to the one I saw. The other one was good, but... Oh, yeah. See? Look at this shit. And look at this. Don't freak out, anybody. It's animatronic. For $6,400. You kidding me? I get 4 of those instead of a car. And they could walk me around. Here, oh, let's watch the video. Oh, come on. You wouldn't freak out coming to my house, like driving up the front yard, and having a breathing, living Triceratops wagging its tail at you? And look at all the other ones they have, too. I mean, it's just perfect. I gotta bookmark this site. You think I'm joking too? My wife's obsessed with Jurassic Park, and we priced it out for about $84,000. We could literally have like a 14-foot tall, you know, long neck dinosaur eating out of one of our trees. We could have a T-Rex, 2 raptors, and giant Triceratops. And there was a couple other things too. But I'm like, under 100K, you could have Jurassic Park in your yard? That's insane. Don't let anybody tell you your dreams are meant to happen or something. I don't know. I lost track of what I was talking about, but oh, we were looking at your science thing. It looks really cool. It looks awesome. Reminds me of like, I don't even know, like a zoo mixed with a science center. That's fantastic. What the hell? Block, blue, blue. The hell? Yeah, that's what it is. Okay. Good. Then I nailed it. Oh yeah, so I know how to actually, I know how to simplify this. Because we'll do like, animate 1. We'll do const animate 1. And then we'll do Animate 2. Animate 2. And animate 3. And then we'll just, you know, we can change those variables instead of having to rewrite this whole thing every time. And then we'll just run it once. Animate tree. Alright, cool. And then, even better, we can... Well, I was thinking about making this shorthand, but I kind of need to do 4 different animation types. So, yeah, we're going to have to do it like this. Still, this will be a little more dry. Alright. And we'll do... Well, actually, let's default it to this one. No, we can't do that. Let's default it to nothing. Rotate equals false. Oops, I need to do let. Animate 1 equals false. Equals false. Alright, there we go. Dot 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 dot. Boo doo 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 doo. Dot 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 dot. Perfect. And now we can do this 4 times. So, top right, top left, bottom right, bottom left, right? And then now we need to change how it animates. How are we gonna do that? You know, honestly, the way it animates matters more about... I'm not speaking English. The way it animates should matter more based off of the rotation than the orientation. Right? Because even if it's top left and it's pointing to the right, it should still point where the arrow's pointing. Shit. I'm going to be making this a little bit more complicated. Okay. That's a good point, though. Thank you. Well, that means I don't need orientation, but that's fine. I don't need side or orientation. I just need rotate. Okay. Well, now we can use a range. Okay? If it's between 0... If it's between 1 and 90, it'll be this one. So if... we'll do rotate at the top. Actually, we have to do it down here. Okay. Okay. We have this. We got this. Okay. Alright, okay. So, if rotate... We need the number in rotate. So wait, where the hell's the rotate getting the number from? Let's get it from there. So we should actually replace these data sets with rotate instead. So instead of orientation, we need data rotate. And this should be rotation. And get rid of this. Do I have rotation? I do. Okay, good. Big brain. Let go. Simplify. Assimilate. Okay, we got arrow. And instead of this, we'll do arrow. Data set. Rotate. Did I do rotate or rotation? Rotate. Okay. Okay. So if 0 does not equal rotate. Let's check if it exists first. Okay, here we go. Alright. Honestly, yeah, that's fine. So we'll do that. I mean, honestly, I wish I didn't have to check this every time. So let's do this. And 0. Alright. Well, whatever. I guess we can just do this. I just keep rewriting it. Alright. So rotate and rotate. Cool. Then, in that case, we already have rotate and that. So now let's do the range. So, if 1 is less than ooh, we should probably parse into this whole thing. That would make things a lot simpler. Alright. Okay. 1 is less than rotate. And 90 is greater than or equal to rotate. Guess what my next printing project... Ooh, what is it? Is it something Trump related, or have you moved on? Ooh, I haven't been paying attention. The print is still going. You have moved on? Okay. Pokemon. Then we'll take the rotate. No. We'll do it like this then. Rotate. Why am I not doing this? Rotate. Dag. Dot 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 dot. Much better. Oh. I messed up. Ooh, Deadpool mask. Ooh, the whole mask? Like you can put it on with magnets and shit. That's awesome. Beep. What? That's crazy. Little mask with magnets, that would be... Oh, hell yeah. Actually, when I was originally designing my laptop airflow optimizer crap, the stand, I thought that I could put magnets in the top so it would stick to the bottom of the computer. And then, because MacBook Pros are all metal. And then, yeah, I got the magnets and realized the bottom of the MacBook is not magnetic. So, now I just have a bunch of magnets. Like I have this like big ass container full of these different size magnets, and these keep sticking to it, so whatever. So yeah, magnets, cheap, strong, but cheap to buy. Which is crazy because I think magnets are magic, basically, is what I'm trying to say. Oh, I still need those. Magnets are definitely magic. Magnetic force is magic, so I think it's crazy that they're so cheap and readily available. And electromagnets are witchcraft. So, prove me wrong. Show me magnetic force. Oh, you're back. Yeah, Game Doodle gets it. I'm more interested on this damn print. So far, so good. I'm jinxing it. It's going to break in the next layer now. Whatever. It's going good. I'm just going well. I am simplifying the logic even more. So this is good. So let's actually do this. We'll replace all these. The next one, range, is going to be 91. And less than or equal to 180. This would be the bottom right. So now I need to animate it going the bottom right. Which I'm just going to have to try things. Because now I have to go the opposite, but down and right. Which, would that mean this? Maybe? Maybe. We'll try that. Let's give it a shot. If animate not equal, whatever. False is not equal that. Then we do dish. Awesome. Let's try it. I'll switch it to like 60% rotate. What would it be actually? Because I'm doing 30 right now. Guess it'd be like 90. 90. I guess it depends on what direction it starts. Luckily I started the arrow straight up. 10 and negative 10. Oh, instead of negative 10 it's 10. So it'd be 10 instead of negative 10. Oh, okay. That seems like the opposite. Hey, good thing, because I didn't put pixel on that one thing. Alright, let's try that. Oh, negative 10, negative 10? Okay, that's pretty opposite. Let's try it out. Boop, boop, boop. Alright, let's re-log in apparently. Grand. Okay, let's change this to... We'll do 120. Alright. And let's see how it points. Oh. Hey! It kind of looks like it's just going left and right, though. It's not going down. I mean, it's not bad for that angle. But if I was pointing it even more, it might not be too good. Let's do bottom right. Oh. I don't know. I mean, it still looks good. But it's not going down. Yeah, it looks good though. I'm not gonna doubt that. But like I said, if I did like 140, maybe just a 2, don't revert it back. Really? kind of feel like it needs that though, doesn't it? No. It is going down. You know what I think it is? I think it's the rotate. I think the rotate is changing the direction of the animation. So it actually looks good at any angle. So I'm good with this actually. We good. Let's do top left again, and let's change it back to 30. I think I did 30, right? Yeah, it seems like it's animating and rotating. They're like conflicting. So depending on which rotation is, it changes which direction it rotates. Oh yeah, look at that. See? Even top left, it seems like it's going with the point of the arrow. It's really interesting. Okay, cool. Well, we're gonna have to keep going. Alright. You know what to do. Give me bottom or top left. Top left? Wait, we did top right. Alright, we did top left. No, we did top right, bottom right. Now we need top left, bottom left. Top left. So that would be... Top left would be between... 360 is... Oh no, 270 is down. 360 is left. So... Less than... No, 360 is all the way around. 270. 180. Yeah. 180 is at the bottom. So it'd be less than 360 and greater than or equal to 181. No. Yes. Yeah, because we're coming around now. Oh, no, I'm going the wrong way. I meant 270. There we go. 270. Yeah. And then this last one's gonna be bottom left. So that's gonna be less than 271. Yeah. Greater than or equal to... Wait, I'm confusing myself. Hold on here. Did I do this wrong from the beginning? 1. I guess it should be... If rotate... Oh, if 1 is less than... Rotate. I guess I should say or equal to. Yeah, so really it would be if 0 is less than. 0 to 90. 90 is pointing left. I mean, right. So it needs to be... And 90 is greater than or equal to. And then we're doing... If 91 is less than... Right? Because at the bottom. And then 180 is greater than or equal to. Yeah. And then we do 181 is less than. We'll just keep going around. Just so it's not as hard. 181 is... And then 270 is greater than, and then 270 and 360. Okay. Yeah, that's where I got confused. What is happening? The print is slowing down. Oh good, it made it pass. It's starting to do the inner. I think I fixed it. I think this is gonna work. And I'm gonna reprint all the shelves thinner. Okay. So we got this one. Now what would bottom left be? Would it be opposite, I guess? So like 10 0 10 0. Let's try that. And then we'll do like 200. We'll do bottom left. We'll do 220. Right. So here's bottom left. Almost. But I'm going right. I need to go the other way. I need to go left. Oh. Do I need to... No. I haven't gone left yet. So it's like 10, negative 10, 10. Oh. Oh, right. Because it has to move left. Right. Let's try that. No, it's still going up and down. Yeah, I'm going 220. What am I missing here? 10, 10. Or should... Because translating... Left would be negative 10. Wait, which one? X is first, so it should be negative 10, 10. Let's try this. There we go. Yeah, left is negative 10. On the X. It has to go this way. Ooh, it looks good. Ooh, pointing. Which in fact, that looks way better than this one. So maybe this should be 10, 10. That'll make it go right. Duh. And then this one should be 10 to make it go right as well. And up. But then this needs to return to 0 to make any impact. I'm getting the concept now. And then this one, bottom right. So we're going to the right, down, down. And this is making it a big sweep, going negative and negative. So I mean, technically this could be 0, 0. 0, 0 isn't needed to return it back to 0? Oh, because it's animating. So then it would be best to do like -10. It'll make it jaggy. Okay. Well, let's try at least this. Just for the first 3. Let's see if see if my logic is making sense now. So we'll go 45, top right. Yeah, that's perfect. Point. And off we go. What was it? Past 90. 150 or something. And we'll do bottom right. Now see. It's working, but the right is, it's too much. So I think -10 is too much. So it would be, but you're saying 0, 0 doesn't do anything? Down, right, right, down. This one? I didn't modify. Well, what? I just keep returning it though, so it loops through the 3. No, I know I haven't done that yet. I'm doing the bottom right now. I'm redoing this one. So, see this one, it's just it is moving down and right, but it's moving more right than down. So then maybe 0 is the right one. Maybe it's just too much. Yeah, okay, there we go. That was it. I was just moving it too much with the -10. Okay, so that's good. And now let's do the bottom left, which is going to be 220. And then we'll work on the top left. And I think this one's good. Yep, that one's perfect. And now let's do the last one. This is going to be going left. So -10 and up. -10. And then negative. Oh, maybe we should do it -10, 0. -10, 0. Let's try that. And let's change this to 300. And it's going to be top left. Alright, moment of truth. Is the mathing. Oh yeah. I mean, it's pretty slow compared to the other ones. But it's definitely working. I did like 340. Would look weird. No, looks pretty good. Okay, I'm done. Arrows are animated. Woo! So now we should be able to add signs anywhere, you know? And for this one, it's going to be top right. And we're going to leave it at 45. And it's pointing right at that sign. You're like, oh shit, okay. So I can do that? What does it say? Click spacebar when touching signs to read them. Ooh! That's exactly what it told me to do. I should also put, like, click on them. On them to close. That might be too much. No, that's good. Awesome. Love it. Oh man, there's gonna be a lot of signs I have to make. A lot of explainers. But at least we have the logic. I think the one thing I forgot to do is add the close ability. But I think I'm just gonna add a little X's in the top right. So let's style that in and make explainers closable when you click on them. Explain. So readings, oh no, explainer container. Here's how I do close buttons, because I'm lazy. I do it like this. So first off, we'll do an after. Okay. And then we'll do content equals X. Why not? And then we'll do a few things. You gotta do position, absolute, new, yes. Make sure this is position relative, so it has something to be relative to. Alright. And then we'll do top 0. And we gotta do right 0. And yeah. Now this should pretty much show up right where I want it. Then we can do font size 50. Hey, that's not a bad size. Font weight bold. Good idea. And actually we'll have it go in a little bit. There we go. So now it should be in the top right corner of the explainer box. And this is purely for aesthetics. It's not a real click event thing. The whole thing, if you click on it, it closes, so. But this should give people kind of an indicator. And then where's the actual explainers? Do I have an explainer container thing in Doodad? Explainer contain. Oh. What? How do I open it? Oh, it's the triggy. Ah. Alright, man. You have a great sleep. Sleep in peace. Dream of the sound of a 3D printer. Brrr. Very, very calming. I do it sometimes. Ugh. Okay, so this I'll just add a click event to the triggy right now. Me. Close explainer on click. Triggy. Add event listener. Triggy. Yeah. More or less. That's not what I meant. There we go. Even though it feels like a game. Yeah. Exactly. Like I'm just giving you a little push. Alright, let's see if it works. Should be like do. Oh shit. I broke something. Trigger's broken now. Why? What did I do? I did something. What did I do? Oh, is it because I made it position relative? Oh, I'm an idiot. I didn't have to do that. It's because this is not in alphabetical order, so I got confused. God damn it. What was I thinking? Disgusting. Ah, that's good enough. Alright. Wait, what? Oh, there we go. 50 was a bad idea. That's quite the X. Let's do this. Something more like that. And then I want to change the font family. I don't want it to be a serif like that. I want it to be a little bit softer. Which is like... Shit. I guess I can't really do it. I thought sans serif would be less sharp. UI rounded is not. I guess monospace is pretty good. Old Unicode HTML? Oh yeah, that's right. What happened to Unicode X? Ah, that's it. Right there. Look at that perfect square. Didn't they have, like a better looking one though? I also do this. I like X Unicode for the Twitter thing. That's cool. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. We'll go for that one that I just saw. Where'd it go? This one? Yeah, this one. I like this one. Square. Da 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 da. Oh shit! I just copied that. What did it? Font size 30. Could probably go like 28. TBH. There we go. Actually, it looks smaller than a normal H, so we'll do that. Okay. Oh yeah, look at that. It's still a little big. Looking pretty good though. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. And you're like, I want to close this. Should probably make the cursor pointer on that one. I think that works on after. I don't remember. We'll find out. No, it doesn't. That's fine. I can make the whole thing cursor pointer. I don't mind. It's all clickable. Good luck trying to copy and paste. Wait, what? Oh, is it because it's not like... Oh, I can't even click on it. Ugh. My bad. That's right. Okay, I have to make this go in front of me. Damn it. That kind of ruins my whole walking on top of it thing. But I can't click through it. Or I can't click through myself. So we'll have to do like Z index 9. Oh, 9 was enough. Actually, I think I could bring it back to that X too. Z index. Let's try something less than 9. I always like going as low as possible. Okay. 8. 8 will work. Oh, wait, no. Oh. No, no, no. It has to be the container. I was trying to be sneaky and shit. Now let's see if the after can do cursor. Ooh, it can. That's good. See? Now it looks like only the X is clickable. Alright. Boop. And it closed. Will the trigger open it up again? No. Looks like the trigger dies. That's fine. Oh yeah, because I put an already hit class on it. I could remove that. I don't think it matters. Yeah, we good to go. Alright, logic is complete. Explainers are explainable. I would like to test it on the menu, because I know it's going to change. But it's mostly going to change positioning, I think. I think the basic logic will be the same. But, oh, I know Mondays are slow. I think I'm going to call it a night. Game Doodle, always fun, man. I hope you have a fantastic night. As you can see, my 3D print has been successful, and I am very excited to see how much lighter it is. And, yeah, man. You have a great night. Catch you in the next one. And thanks for the help on my rotations. I appreciate that. And, my pointing abilities. And, ooh, 2 more days. Thank you, my friend. 2 more days until we announce the winners of the contest. So anybody watching this in the future, thank you so much. If you stuck around this long, I know it's just kind of a short stream, so maybe you don't usually catch the end, but I appreciate you for watching. You know, make sure to subscribe, follow me on Twitch and all the other social medias. Go to orbem.com, you know, sign up. Join the contest, win some free stuff. We can get, you know, both books, some merch. Always fun. Game Doodle knows what that's about. He's last giveaway winner. So yeah. Thanks everybody. And have a fantastic Monday night.